there's no question. And I said to Juanita and I said to Francisco when I met them and they initiated me and they said, my sister, my brother. And I said, I feel a little uncomfortable. I'm from America. I went through the through the school systems in America. I'm not Caro. How can I represent this lineage? And they said, Mother Earth loves all of her children equally. This is direct from Mother Earth to all of her children. We are only the voice to share it. And so they are really strongly disagree with the idea that they are the only ones that are allowed to talk about it, practice, or connect. Said, why would we create any sort of division between Mother Earth's children? We are all here to receive her medicine, and we are all here to love her and to love each other. That was huge for me because I went through, as you're getting to know Ray and I went through the martial arts, and I had a very, very strong connection to the martial arts of over 20 years of being a disciple. And there was a lot of etiquette around how we share the information, who's allowed to learn what at what time, depending on rank, depending on skill. And so that was something that was more comfortable to me, more familiar. Of the familiar and more of the norm based on my education in America. And so coming in contact with these beautiful people that were saying, they're opening their hearts and they're inviting us all, they're saying, this is the time, this information, this wisdom needs to come into each of our lives. They want it to be part of your life. And I found myself having internal resistance to some of the things, even hearing what Ray says, like, oh, love yourself.